Hello everyone, here's IC from Mrise. Today let's review the fiber laser marking machine. Now we can see the fiber laser marking machine with a 50-watt Ricus laser source, and it's used for mark some metal material such as the stainless steel, aluminum, and all kinds of metal. And then now the screen of the computer to show the controller here, and then here's the manual adjustment of the focus length. And then we can see the marking area here. There are two position blocks on the marking areas here, and we can lose the screw here to locate the block anywhere we want. And the function of the block is fix the material board what we want to mark here. Okay, now let's show the rotary of the marking machine. We can see there's a clamp of jack to rotate the cylinders, such as the bottle, glass bottles, and some rings marking it. Let's check the marking.